Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I want to talk to you about how to add a ceiling fan when there's no attic access. For this job, you're going to need a couple tools. For this job, we'll be using a battery powered drill with a Phillips tip bit, a razor blade, electrical tape, and a mounting block. You will also need some sort of a wood bit. We will also be using an electrical snake wire. What this does is it runs through the ceiling. We'll tape our wire right to the end. That way we can pull it through the ceiling without having to drop the ceiling. The first thing you want to do is find a joist that's running through the ceiling. That way you have something firm to mount to. After you've done that, we're going to drill a hole right through the side of the joist. That way we can run a snake through there and run our wire across. Now we're going to feed the snake through that hole in the ceiling over to our electrical box or an outlet somewhere where we can get power. After you've run the snake through the ceiling, where your wire is, what you'll do is you'll take your razor blade, split the wire a little bit, pull out one of the wires, push it through the snake, and bend it over. You'll take your electrical tape and tape it all together. That way you don't get it snagged on anything in the ceiling, any insulation, other wires, stuff like that. Now you simply pull the snake through the ceiling. Instead of cutting in a new electrical box, we're going to put this mounting block here. Do that by feeding this over and putting in some long screws right into our studs. Now our mounting block is firmly attached to the ceiling and you're ready to mount your ceiling fan. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about how to add a ceiling fan when there's no attic access. Thank you for watching. Good luck with this project.